Hi, I'm Christopher Lenkeit. I'm an otolaryngologist and otology fellow from Seattle, Washington. Here's what's happening this week at the Seattle Science Foundation. The University of Pennsylvania will be hosting our Interesting Spine Case Series Tuesday evening. Wednesday, Dr. Jonathan Grossberg from Emory University will discuss beyond LVOs, distal occlusion thrombectomy, how far is too far, at our cerebral vascular Q&A discussion session. Thursday will be our Neurology Grand Rounds Case Conference, and mark your calendars for October 18th and 19th when we will host our 6th annual Advances in Motions Preservation of the Spine course, an in-depth evaluation of current and emerging techniques in spine surgery used to preserve spinal motility. Through cadaveric demonstrations and instructional didactics, we teach the best evidence-supported practices surrounding disc arthroscopy, laminoplasty, motion-preserving stabilization, and endoscopic techniques. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org. And thank you for supporting the Seattle Science Foundation.